Hey guys, it's Leticia here, also known as Lola, and we did a Target haul today, and we're just going to get straight into it. Look, I got these. These will go onto my hamster's cage because I am trying to mount like something on top so it doesn't get out. So we did that. We got this little thing. It's from the dollar section. It's got plastic in it. Thinking about putting my plant in there because it's overgrowing and putting it in here. My window's right in front of me if you can't see my glasses. I got this beautiful shirt for my son. Isn't that cool? It's got like a whole bunch of stuff on it. And guess how much it was? Guess how much? $2.40. You gotta look for those bargains, guys. Dollar store. Got this for the hamster cage. Got this for the bathroom, the bathtub. Don't ever spend too much on that stuff. This is for the top of the hamster cage. It's the weed stuff. I'm gonna put that on the top and mount it so that they can't touch the top, but I just would rather do that. And then I got this. So we got some stuff in here. Some new stuff came out. They were Kleenex wipes, which we need in this house because we go through stuff like crazy. We go through Kleenex and we like our nose and everything. We're always wiping our nose and stuff like that. So these ones are thick and they just came out with some new ones. These ones are aloe. And we also got, we didn't even see the scent. We just saw that it was a different kind. Aloe and the orange ones. I don't know what the orange ones are. It just doesn't say. It's just an orange. But we got one for the bathroom and one for the kitchen. We got this little Echo Tools. It's for face masks. Because I know that I have a lot of face masks. And if you guys check me out on Twitter, I always show my face mask. We got these Glades, 99 cents for, each one. We got this new smell, Blossoming Desert Night. We've got Volcano Coconut Cove, 99 cents, guys. All this stuff was like $1. Ooh. Now we're getting to the more expensive one, which was like $3. Some foam cleaner, Clorox, brand new stuff that just came out. We're gonna sit there and we're gonna try to see if this works because we have a lot of soap scum. It's our water. And then we, of course, got some Cottonelle tissues because a lot of us need it in this family. And then we've got these for $1. Some holders that we needed. And they're like really cute. They're got little flamingos on them. They're $1. And then we got this for $1. No lie. $1. We got this for like $2 or $1 something. Windex. Everybody needs Windex. We got these for, I think it was like less than $5 for 2. And it's really minty. And we got some of these because something broke on the other ones. You want to say hi to my viewers?
No.
Well, then get out.
Hi, viewers.
Marquisha got her hair did. It actually looks really pretty. You should like put it up in a bun.
I'll try that as soon as it stops hurting.
And that's it. That's it for everything that we've got so far. We're gonna try these things out. I will show you guys like this different stuff that we're doing. We're trying to remodel the house and like on a budget, so but we really needed some cleaning supplies, so went and got all this stuff today, and we'll see how that works out. And that's it. Everything was like literally all the stuff, all the cleaning supplies itself was probably about like under $30. But then there was like certain stuff that was certain cleaning products that were $5 and stuff, so pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna start cleaning and see you guys later. Don't forget to check out my Twitter and see the mask that I've been doing. I'm gonna put some more mask up in a few and show you guys like if I like them or if I don't like them or what needs to be done with them. These things are heavy. But yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.